Leads Leap. Hey there, I'm going to do a quick video on the Leads Leap affiliate program. And I've done a video before on Leads Leap covering the main tools and how it's beneficial to internet marketers. In this video, I'm going to quickly focus a bit more on the affiliate program because this is one of the most popular tools and marketing page builders that people are using nowadays to promote their business opportunities. So I'm going to do an updated Leads Leap video. My name's Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and for me it's been all about driving traffic and building an email list with landing pages, which got me to the stage of earning a full-time income online quite quickly when I first started, and Leads Leap fits into that business model quite nicely. If you want to discover my current #1 recommended system to plug into right now, click the link below, click the link in the video description below for my current top online system. So Leads Leap is an all-in-one system which lets you create your own landing pages and entire sales funnels, and it also helps you manage your leads so you can follow up by email, send broadcast emails. It also doubles up as a kind of like traffic exchange where you earn credits and you can mail members and post ads in the members area. So there's so much packaged into it. You've even got link trackers, and one of the most popular part of Leads Leap is the affiliate program. So you can create an account for free with Leads Leap. To get access in the members area, you don't have to pay to become a member. However, the affiliate program only pays you 25% commissions when you are promoting it as a free member. And if you upgrade to the pro level, you earn 50% commissions. So that's better than a lot of online business opportunities who do not let you promote the products unless you first purchase the products that you want to promote. Leads Leap is a little bit like that in terms that you get double commissions if you are a paid customer, but at least you do get credit for any referrals you make as a free affiliate as well. There is also, in addition to the commissions you get, they say that you can earn overriding credits up to 10 levels deep, and you can build 10 levels of followers on autopilot. So these separate points are not multi-level pass-up commission style matrix compensation plans. It's not like that. Leads Leap is a one-level straight affiliate program. These downline levels deep is more referring to people you'll be able to mail as part of the credits you have, and just your followers which you can market to. It's not referring to commissions you will get. You only earn commissions on your direct referrals when they upgrade to the pro level. So it's quite a straightforward affiliate system, and it's the way people are promoting it is quite interesting. They are not promoting it as a standalone affiliate program in itself. So people aren't doing marketing and having Leads Leap as their primary business opportunity in most cases. What they are doing is they are promoting another business opportunity that may be popular at that moment in time. I've noticed the Live Good business opportunity is quite popular nowadays. So maybe some direct sales opportunity or network marketing company which has good products but not a particularly good marketing system. People will use Leads Leap to build an entire sales funnel around that network marketing opportunity, and then create a share code and share it with their members and their downline, so people can duplicate that exact same sales funnel that their sponsor created to use in their own promotions. And that's how Leads Leap is popular, is creating sales funnels around network marketing business opportunities to stand out from the crowd, so you're not just using the provided pages, generic pages the company gives you. And so the people making good commissions with Leads Leap will be sponsors who are building downlines in another business, and they will say to their team members, if you want to use this same marketing system you came through to join my team, I created it with Leads Leap. So if you just join Leads Leap, upgrade to the pro level, here's your share code. You can get these same pages yourself and promote it using the same pages I'm doing. So that's what I like about Leads Leap, is most people are using it because they want to use the product, and they're not buying it just because they want to be part of the business opportunity. They're using Leads Leap to promote other programs, and that's the real value in the Leads Leap product, is people are using it for the product, not primarily for the affiliate program. So that's good to see. For me, I like just driving traffic on the internet in the whole business opportunity home-based business world. And then when you've got consistent traffic coming in, you've got an email list that keeps on growing, Anytime you want, you can send clicks to a latest product launch, a hot business opportunity, any offer you want. So you've got lots of flexibility when you're focusing on the traffic and the list building. And if you want to discover my current top system to plug into right now for that exact same process to build a realistic income online, click the link below, click the link in the video description below for my top recommended online system. Thanks a lot for checking out my very quick thoughts on the Leads Leap system and Leads Leap affiliate program. All the best, guys, and speak soon.